I've got another job lot of ladies clothing sizes 14 to 18. Hello again and welcome back to the channel where we are trying to sell some ladies clothing on eBay. If you don't know me, I'm Polish Pete and I'm eBay reseller based in UK. I sell cheap ladies clothing, I buy it in bulk and I sell it individually. I buy predominantly on eBay, and this job lot that I'm going to show you today is a job lot bought on eBay as well. 10 kilograms of ladies clothing, sizes 14 to 18, so decent sizes. The price £44 and 98 pence. And yeah, at the end of the video I'm going to tell you how many items was there and how much will they cost me per item. So let's start. First thing is next, size 14, like a metallized fiber glitter fine knit long jumper. That's a tenner. Another fine knit jumper by M&S. Another tenner, like a nautical theme, navy blue and stripes, size 18, good size. Another fine knit jumper, M&Co, nice green color, plain, probably $6.99, size 16. Another fine knit jumper, oh, it's actually a shrug. Yeah, there is no buttons. It's size M and the brand is don't know this brand, never seen this tag before. Anyway, shrugs will not commence a lot of money. This one is sleeveless as well, so let's say $5.99. Skirt by Nasty Gal, size 14. I don't know this brand very well. I'll try $7.99. See where it will take me. Together. I've had this brand before. Together, nice embroidery. It's either a long tunic or rather a dress, short dress with pockets in front, which is nice. Size is 14. I'll try $12.99 due to that embroidery. If not, then $10.99. Sorry, $9.99. People Tree, organic cotton, size 14. Yeah, like a shed dress. Probably $10.99 unless it's that brand is somehow worth more. Another dress by Wallis, size M, Wallis Petite. So for a smaller lady, cap sleeves, summer dress, quite longish to be fair. I'll try $12.99. Wallis is not particularly good brand, but it's long, so the longer it is, the more money it makes. Shane, size XL, EU 44. What's that? Is it a skirt? Yes, this is a skirt, mini skirt. There we go. Ooh, we are going. There we go. Yeah, stay there. There you go. Fleece, regatta fleece, size 14. I don't know, probably tenner. Label has been removed. Just a tank top with like a nice pleated motif and some lacy thingy thing. Is there a brand here or size? It is 2 and it's size 16, 100% cotton. Probably will try with $8.99 to start with, maybe $7.99 rather. Yeah, $7.99 I would say. Just a t-shirt, but it's a Harry Potter, so should sell at least for 7 quid. Maybe I'll try with a tenner, unless it's Primark. There's no tag, unfortunately there is no tag. No. What does it say here? It doesn't say Primark, so I may try a tenner though. We'll see. Jeans, skinny jeans by Primark, size 16, Denim & Co, $6.99. Another pair of jeans, another skinny one, House of Denim, but let's have a look here. House of Denim, size 14. So I'll have to go with size House of Denim. No idea. Let's say conservatively $6.99. Another trousers, summer trousers, size 14, like cotton trousers. 2 is the brand. Yeah, 100% cotton, gray, cropped. At least $7.99. At least $7.99. Just a long sleeve t-shirt. Brand is not on top, but it's Marks and Spencer 18. Because it's just a plain t-shirt, I may try with $7.99, $8.99. BU, well-known brand, not too expensive. BU. Another top, long top, so let's say tunic, black with pockets, with buttons as well, stretchy, size 14. I don't know, maybe $7.99, $8.99. Sorry for looking at my head. Come on, lad. There you go. My back is killing me. It's a dress, summer dress, shift dress, sleeveless. There is no brand though. Let's have a look at the bottom. No, not at all. Unless this tag is somewhere hidden, I can't see it. So it's not going to be easy. So I have to figure out the size and sell it as unbranded, so it will not command a good price. Anyway, let's say $6.99. Where have I got? Drop. It should be here. There you go. Sorry for that. Just dropped it to the wrong pile. Laura D, size 16. Never heard about this brand before. Just a t-shirt. Again, I'll start with $6.99. Another top by White Stuff. Finally something better. Size 14. Probably £10. Nice birdie pattern on this one. It's Joe Brown's and size 18. It's a dress, so I may go for 20 quid. Or is it a dress or a play suit? No, it's a dress. I may go for 20 quid on this one. It's the workwear jacket, size 18, pink, with shoulder pads. Honor Milburn, probably $7.99. George dress, shift dress, $9.99, whatever the size. Decent bag so far. Next, 18, very short dress. Is it very short? No, knee length. Knee length. I would say $14.99. Kind of a workwear dress. Summer dress by Red Herring. Red Herring doesn't sell for me very well. It's a Debenhams brand. Maybe it will pick up with the price because Debenhams is out of business. Well, yeah, let's say $14.99, maybe $12.99. We'll try for $14 first because it's summer at the moment. Laura Ashley, so another good brand. Size 14, skirt, nice summer skirt, summery colors, long one, media I would say. $12.99. Top by Next, size 16. Oh, we are going again. We are going again to the ceiling. Stay there, my mate. Stay there, please. There you go. Yeah, next. Just top with floral design, navy blue, quite nice. We'll start with a tenner, see what happens. Wally's, size M, works out as 14 I would say. A dress, nice pattern, colorful, maybe $12.99. Trousers, M&S, size 14, pink in color, quite nice, quite alright. Tenner, trousers again, navy blue, workwear trousers, Marks and Spencer, size 14, elastic waist, another tenner, should be easy sell. Bon Marsh, size 14, just a plain t-shirt, white in color, $6.99. Where is, oh, there you go. Principles by Bendelisi or Bendelaisi, I don't know how to pronounce that. Size 16. Top, I'll probably start with $11.99, $12.99. M&S, just a simple t-shirt, black in color, size 18, $6.99, $7.99, something around this mark, just because it's just plain t-shirt. Animal, size 14, like a summer dress, quite nice. I will try $14.99. Must invest in bloody scissors. River Island, size 14 dress. Where are you? There. Is it front or back? I think that's the back, that's the front. Yeah, I think so. Or not, I don't know. Anyway, River Island, 14.99, 12.99. Skirt by Dorothy Perkins, size 16. Quite nice, vintagey look. Elastic waist, pleated, midi, lined, nice lavender color. We'll start with a tenner, maybe a bit higher. Shirt dress, I should say it is, yes it is. Shirt dress, nice khaki green color, khaki green sale as well. It's only George, so probably I'll start with a tenner. Next, size 16 workwear jacket with shoulder pads. I'll start with a tenner, I would say. Accessorize, size L, let's say 16. Top, I should say top, too short for the dress. Tenner. Trousers, no, skirt. Marks and Spencer, size 14, nice mocha brown. Brown sells at the moment. Tenner. Nautical top with some buttons. M&S, size 18. Tenner to start with. EWM top, nice embroidery, black, like a party top, night out top. $7.99, and that was the last item. Let me quickly count them and I'll tell you how many of them is there and what it means. So there is 42 items, so quite decent bag in terms of number. Yeah, like I said, I've paid 2 pence shy of £45, so this is the price per item. That's what it works out. Will I make my money back? Definitely. Will I make my £5 back? £5 profit per item? Definitely. Yeah. This is a good bag. This is the good bag. This is what I would like to see. No heavy coats, no heavy jackets, no, massive number of jeans or something like that. A lot of tops, a lot of skirts, dresses, summer dresses, thin dresses, not too heavy. Yeah, this is great. I like it. Yeah, I hope all the joblots that I buy were something similar to this one. And yeah, that would be it, guys, for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to click that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, consider doing so. I'll see you next time. I'll see you next week. I wish you all the best, a lot of sales and everything else. God bless you all and bye bye.